Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to be sharing this journey of decluttering and minimalist living with you. Together, we'll create a home that sparks joy and peace of mind, a space where you feel safe, calm, and truly at ease. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, and yet, so often they become cluttered with things that weigh us down, physically and emotionally. This clutter can even create safety hazards, leading to accidents and unnecessary stress. But it doesn't have to be this way. In this series, we'll explore practical steps to declutter every area of your home. We'll discover the joy of minimalist living, focusing on keeping what truly adds value to your life and letting go of what doesn't. Let's begin. Decluttering is like a cleansing breath for your home. It's about thoughtfully letting go of anything unnecessary, anything that no longer serves you. Imagine opening your closets and drawers to find only the clothes you love, neatly folded and ready to wear. Think of your kitchen counters, clear and spacious, inviting you to cook a joyful meal. Picture your home free from piles of old papers, broken gadgets, and expired food. This is the magic of decluttering. It creates space for what truly matters. Decluttering isn't about bare minimalism. It's about creating a home that supports your well-being and brings you peace. It's about surrounding yourself with things that spark joy and letting go of anything that drains your energy. Minimalist living is often misunderstood. It's not about living with empty shelves and bare walls. It's about intentionally choosing quality over quantity, surrounding yourself with items that hold true meaning and purpose. Imagine serving a delicious meal on beautiful, cherished dishes, knowing you have just the right amount for your needs. Picture a living room where every piece of furniture is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, creating a sense of calm and order. Minimalism extends to every corner of your home. Instead of stacks of unused toys, imagine a play area where each toy sparks creativity and joy. Embrace the freedom of clear floors, making every step you take safe and comfortable. Decluttering isn't just about aesthetics. It has a profound impact on our safety and well-being. A clutter-free home is inherently safer, reducing the risk of fire hazards, trips, and falls. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your family is safe from such preventable accidents. Did you know that clutter can negatively impact our air quality? Dust mites thrive in cluttered environments, potentially aggravating allergies and respiratory issues. By decluttering, we improve air circulation and create a healthier living environment for ourselves and our loved ones. Clutter also impacts our mental well-being. A cluttered space can lead to feelings of overwhelm, stress, and anxiety. By creating a clean and organized environment, we create mental space for peace, relaxation, and joy. Okay, let's embark on this journey together, room by room, using my simple yet effective 4-box method: keep, donate, or sell, trash, and relocate. We'll start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. So, empty each drawer, holding each item with care. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Do I use it regularly? Next, we'll move to the living room, creating a haven of peace and relaxation. Let go of old magazines, unused electronics, and anything that doesn't contribute to a sense of calm. Remember, we're creating a space for connection and joy. Finally, we'll tackle the bedrooms and bathrooms, transforming them into personal sanctuaries. Let go of clothes that no longer fit or spark joy, expired toiletries, and anything that doesn't contribute to a sense of serenity and well-being. Congratulations on decluttering your home. Now let's explore simple yet powerful strategies to maintain this newfound sense of peace and safety. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of one. Just as we decluttered our physical spaces, let's extend this practice to the digital realm. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, organize your computer files, and create a sense of calm in your digital life. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free home is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Incorporate weekly 10-minute resets, tidying up any clutter hotspots and reaffirming your commitment to a safer, more peaceful living environment. As we continue this journey, let's address common pitfalls that can hinder our progress. Avoid the trap of keeping things just in case. If you haven't used it in the past year, it's likely you won't miss it. Decluttering should be a joyful process, not an overwhelming one. Avoid decluttering too much at once, as this can lead to burnout. Instead, focus on one area or category at a time. celebrating each small victory along the way. Remember, safety is paramount. As you declutter, be mindful of potential hazards such as loose wires, overloaded outlets, or precariously stacked boxes. Address these immediately to create a truly safe and harmonious home. Congratulations on creating a safer and more joyful home. Now let's establish a simple maintenance plan to ensure your space remains a source of peace and tranquility. Schedule monthly donation runs, releasing any items that no longer spark joy. Just as nature goes through seasons of renewal, so should our homes. Embrace seasonal deep cleans, refreshing every corner of your home and letting go of any lingering clutter that no longer serves you. Finally, make it a habit to review your emergency supplies annually. Check expiration dates, replenish any depleted items, and ensure your family's safety and well-being are always accounted for. Thank you for joining me on this journey of decluttering and minimalist living. Remember, our homes should be havens of peace, safety, and joy. By letting go of what no longer serves us, we create space for what truly matters. I invite you to share your experiences in the comments below. What's the hardest item you've decluttered? Why was it so challenging to let go? Your stories inspire others to embark on their own decluttering journeys. To help you get started, I've created a free 30-day declutter challenge filled with practical tips and daily inspiration. Remember, less clutter equals a safer, happier home. Start today and experience the transformative power of minimalist living.